using the unit of measure intra-class conversion functionality in Item Extension Wizard. Make sure you have selected the right mode. The mode needs to correspond to the template name. If it's not the case, switch to a different tab with this template, or click on this button to select the right mode. You have multiple options to create your dataset. Copy-paste a list of items from an external report. Use Excel formula like VLOOKUPs. You can also bring up the user form from the main ribbon, or double-clicking on any cell. This will bring up the user form for this item. The yellow fields need to be completed. Your Oracle setup will be automatically loaded in this form. Conversions and dimensions can only be positive numbers. When closing a user form, it will always perform validation. You can also accelerate your data entry using the default values row. Anything you put on this row will default on the blank rows below. This is useful if you have many repeated numbers for the conversions or the unit of measures. One item can have many intra-class conversions for a specific item number and a non-base unit of measure. Duplicates are not allowed though. When your dataset is ready, you have two options. You can validate the dataset only, or you can choose Validate and Upload. Then choose Upload Selected to upload selected rows, or Upload All to upload all rows on this tab. Most of the unit of measure intra-class conversions were successfully uploaded. They have the accepted status. One was not uploaded and has a warning status. The warning message says that this conversion already exists, so duplicates are not allowed. We could take a look at this existing conversion rate using the download functionality. Enter the item number, put your cursor on the download criteria and use Download via Sheet. This load type can only be used to create the intra-class unit of measure conversion. However, you can update the dimension unit of measure and dimension values. Let's upload this record using Upload Selected. You can see a warning status at the end of the upload, saying the header was not updated, but the destination section was successfully updated. Let's download the item again to see that the item was successfully updated.